Well, there's 4 over by him now.
And our young lady's over here.
3.
Did you
Hey,
hear that?
Yeah.
Did you hear
That
that? That was a
girl's
child's giggle.
I
It
heard
was.
a giggle.
Wow.
It was
I-
a child's giggle, it truly
That was
was.
awesome.
I've got the task
Did
in
anybody
money,
hear that
so
on
hopefully
live?
you picked it up.
Did you
Yeah,
guys
ask
hear
anybody
that?
alive if they heard a
We're
giggle.
asking if you heard that.
Mark,
There was a girl's
mark that
giggle.
on the task cam.
Thanks, young lady, for giggling. You can do it as much as you like.
I think she's laughing at you, Dave.
Wow,
Wouldn't be
that-
the first
yeah.
time.
So we're asking you guys who are watching live
Diane?
if you
Diane.
heard that girl's giggle, a little girl
It
giggle.
definitely was off to my
Diane.
left. right
Yes.
down that hallway.
Yes.
Yeah, there's somebody over here too.
Diane,
It's
come here.
Matt.
Yeah, I think she ran from the
Feel the temperature
fireplace over
difference
into
from
that
here?
corner.
And all of us are in the room, there's nobody else in the house with us. Just so the
And
viewers
Yes.
know.
And there's no children.
shaking.
There's no
It's-
children.
I mean,
No.
it's
With
maybe
us
2 or
that-
3 degrees, but it's definitely there.
Becky says
Would do
no. Kathy says I was talking, I missed it. Ginger said I missed it.
You'll hear it when we review the task cam, because we all heard it.
And then
That was
the
loud.
Facebook Live, hopefully,
That was so
the
apparent.
replay will have it too.
What I heard was like a.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And I barely heard it because I'm standing way over here, but I just barely heard it.
That was crazy.
So they're
cool.
in that hallway there?
There are now.